Alright, so we just talked about the circumference of a circle, so now area. The formula is area equals radius squared times pi. Radius squared times pi. So in your homework assignment, you're going to have one that tells you what the perimeter or the circumference of your circle is. And then it's going to ask you to find the area. So if I know the circumference is 100 feet, then I can work backwards to find my radius or diameter. So what's the formula for circumference? Okay, so circumference is d pi. So this time it tells me my C is 100, so 100 equals d times pi. So we have a value for pi that we can use. How am I going to solve this problem to get my diameter? Because I've got to get my diameter in order to be able to find the area of the same circle. So what am I going to do to find my diameter? I have a problem that says 100 equals d times 3.14. How am I going to get diameter by itself? Ms. Jones, what do you think? Divide by what?
100 divided by 2.
So I'm going to divide both sides of my equation by 3.14. Because that's what is on the side with. So I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by 3.14. So my diameter is what? $31.85. Remember, we go two places. Now, I need to find the area of this same swimming pool. So I know that diameter is 31.85. I know area equals radius squared times pi, but I don't have my radius. I have my diameter number. How am I going to get my radius? Divide what by 2? Divide the diameter by 2. So radius equals diameter divided by 2. So 31.85 divided by 2.
Divided by 2 what time?
15.93, I agree. So now I know area equals radius squared times pi. So 15.93. This is where you're to the point where all you're doing is plugging it in your calculator. 15.93 squared is 253.76 pi, and pi is approximately what? Times 3.14. So my area is approximately 796.81 feet squared.
Oh, wait, what did you do?
Alright,
What did you do right there? You had, first you got the radius, then you squared it.
so then I plugged it into my formula. So my radius was 15.93. So I put 15.93 squared.
You squared it by 2.
That's the little x squared button. Not times 2. This is x squared. And that gave me 253.76. And then I multiplied that by pi. How did I put the squared in there? It is the button with the x squared. That's your square. Alright. Any questions?